Hey everyone, Bob here again. Our defensive driving lesson for today is about 3 E's for pillars of traffic. The 3 E's for pillars of traffic management are engineering, education, and enforcement. Better highway engineering design is one of many ways to prevent traffic accident. Because of poor road and highway condition, as well as poor traffic controls in intersections, accidents do happen. Through the education of drivers, thus changing behavior is top of the reason for accident prevention, as well as strictly implementing enforcement of the traffic law by authorities. Although one E of the 3 E's plays a vital role in traffic order, all of the 3 E's require synchronization to solve the problem in traffic. Engineering addresses highway safety hazards by designing and building proper roads, bridges, intersection controls, roundabouts, and others. Focus of designing road infrastructures will be the smooth movement of traffic and removal of hazardous conditions. Another good strategy in reducing or eliminating accident is changing the behavior of drivers by providing traffic education. Having training and seminars before a driver is authorized to drive vehicle is a good initiative, as majority of traffic accident is caused by driver errors due to attitude and behaviors. Enforcement is another good strategy to reduce or eliminate traffic accident. After providing well-designed roads and educating the drivers, still more erring drivers are on the road. With this in mind, the enforcement of traffic law must be strictly implemented by authorities, and there should be no exception. And now let's talk about driving requirements of drivers. The first requirement is knowledge. Drivers must have all the knowledge in terms of how to check the vehicle before driving it. Familiarity with every part that the driver need to know, like how to check the oil, tire, battery, brake fluid, coolant, and others. Drivers should also be familiar with all the controls. Drivers should be aware of rules of the road, traffic signs, and traffic regulations. Lastly, the driver is trained and passed the driving assessment and duly licensed. Next requirement is skills. This requirement is critical for a driver, as it would take some time for a driver to develop the driver's skills. The drivers would need some training and seminar and gain some experience before one would say that the driver is a skillful driver. A driving instructor and assessor can verify through practical driving assessment whether a driver has the competency or competent enough to be regarded as professional driver. Another requirement is the attitude and behavior of the driver. The driver should not think of himself always have the right of way, but others as well. The driver should learn and practice courtesy on the road, like giving priority to pedestrians, yielding to other road users as necessary, especially to emergency vehicles, such as to ambulance, fire trucks, and others. The driver should be cool and calm in driving under any adverse condition and does not engage in heated arguments with other road users or in road rage situation. So if the driver possesses all these three requirements, then the driver will be safe on the road driving a vehicle. And lastly, our defensive driving quote of the day: baseball is like driving. It's the one who gets home safely that counts. So that's it for now. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. And thank you for watching.